This may be the most satisfying piece of sacred geometry I've ever created. In this short video, I show you how to draw the 64-star tetrahedron, starting from the seed of life, the symbol of creation itself. The 64-star tetrahedron is a powerful symbol of cosmic balance, expansion, and the structure of light itself. It is believed to represent the energetic matrix of creation, uniting masculine and feminine aspects of the universe. Nearly everything you can imagine already exists inside this form. The final result is a vibrant geometric field, harmonious, resonant, and deeply meditative. And then comes the magic. I work with metallic paints to bring this sacred pattern to life with movement, reflection, and light. A full tutorial will be released this Sunday, where I'll guide you step by step. If you want to learn more about sacred geometry and the meaning behind these symbols, subscribe and follow my journey. Coliro metallic watercolors, shimmering golds, coppers, silvers, and radiant blues. On black paper, they come alive. They shimmer, they shift, they move with the light. It's no longer just a drawing. It becomes a meditation, a portal, a sacred mirror. I truly believe this is one of the most satisfying pieces of geometric art I've ever created. And I'm so happy to share it with you. You may see something personal in it. Balance. Infinity. Divine beauty. Or simply the quiet magic of geometry. Dizzy, if you'd like me to create a full construction tutorial for this symbol, just let me know in the comments. Yellow heart, and if this inspired you, please subscribe. I share a new sacred creation with you every Sunday.